In this lesson, we will learn how to solve system of fraction equation with elimination method. Here we have three examples which are from basic to advanced. We have some rule here. The first rule is clear the fraction. Find the LCM, which is least common multiple of all denominators in the equation. Multiply the entire equation by the LCM. This will turn all the fraction into a whole number. The second one is eliminate. Make it normal. Now you have normal system of equation. Multiply one or both equation to make one variable have the same coefficient, then add or subtract to eliminate it. The third one is substitute and check. Solve for one variable, then plug it back into any equation to find the other one. Always check your answer in the original fraction equation. So let's move to our first problem, which is x over 2 plus y over 2 equal 3 and x over 2 minus y over 2 equal 1. So this is very easy question. We can simply add it. We do not apply the first rule here because we have the same coefficient of y variable. So let's add them. So x over 2 plus x over 2 will give us 2x over 2. And if we add y over 2 and negative y over 2, it will cancel out. Equals 3 plus 1 gives us 4. So we have 2x over 2 equal 4. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel out. So it will give us x over 4. So this is our solution. Now plug x equal 4 into the original equation for finding the value of y. So x over 2. So let's plug this into the first equation. So x over 2 means 4 over 2 plus y over 2 equals 3. So 4 over 2 gives us 2 plus y over 2 equal 3. So I'm going to take this 2 to the right side of the equation and I'm write it here. So y over 2 equal 3 and minus 2. So y over 2 equals 3 minus 2 gives us 1. Now to eliminate this 2 which is in denominator, I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 2. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel out. So y equals 2 times 1 gives us 2. So here our solution x, y equal 2 and x equals 4. So to verify that our solution are correct or not, let's plug these values into the original equation. We can put these value in both of these equations to verify our answer. So let's plug it into the first equation. So I'm going to separate it. So x over 2 means 4 over 2 plus y over 2 means 2 over 2 equals 3. So 4 over 2 gives us 2 and 2 over 2 gives us 1 equals 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3 and 3. So here we have left hand side is equals to right hand side. It shows that our solution are correct. So moving to our second problem, which is x over 2 plus y over 3 equals 4 and x over 2 minus y over 6 equal 1. So I'm going to apply all the rule to solve these problems. So our first rule is clear the fraction, the LCM rule. So I'm going to take the LCM of denominators. So we have 2 and 3. The LCM of 2 and 3, LCM means least common multiplication. So the LCM of 2 or 3 is 6. So let's multiply the whole equation by 6. And here we have 2 and 6. Here we have in the second equation, we have denominators which is 2 and 6. So the LCM of 2 and 6 is also 6. So let's multiply the whole equation by 6. So let's multiply the first equation by 6. So 6x over 2 gives us 3x and 6y over 3 gives us 2y equals 6 times 4 gives us 24, and 6x over 2 gives us 3x, and minus 6y over 6 gives us y equals 6 times 1 gives us 6. Now we have common. Now if you take a look, the first part of these equation, we have common coefficient of x. So we have to just make it negative to eliminate this x. If I multiply the second equation with negative, it will become negative 3x, and it will become positive, and it will become negative. So now add these two equations first. So 3x and 3x will cancel out. So 2y plus 2y gives us 3y equals 24 minus 6 gives us 18. So I'm gonna divide the both side of the equation by 3 to eliminate this 3. So this 3 and this 3 will cancel out. So y equals 18 over 3 gives us 6. So here is our solution. Let's plug this y equals 6 into the original equation. I'm gonna put it in this because these are not in fraction. So it is easy to solve the equation. So let's plug x equals 6 into the, I'm giving the name, this equation is equation 1. So let's plug x equals 6 into the first equation. So we have 3x plus 2y equals 24. So we have y equals 6 to 3x plus 2 times y means 6 equals 24. So 3x plus 2 times 6 gives us 12 equal 24. So 3x equals 24. I'm going to take this 12 to the right side. So I'm going to subtract 12 from here. So 3x equals 24 minus 12 gives us 12. So we have this. To undo this 3, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 3. So this 3 will cancel out. So x equal 12 over 3 gives us 4. So we have x equal 4 and y equal 6. So these are our solution of these equation. Now to verify that our answer is correct or not, I'm gonna put these value into the original equation. So let's do it. To do it, I'm gonna erase this portion which I solved it. If you wanna copy it, you can do it. Now let's plug these solution into the first equation. We have x over 2 plus y over 3 equal 4. So x means the value of x is 4. So 4 over 2 plus y means 6 over 3 equal 4. So 4 over 2 gives us 2, and 6 over 3 gives us 2 equal 4. So 4 over 4. So the equality is shows that our solution are correct. So moving to the next problem, which is we have 3x over 2x over 3 plus 3y over 4 equal 13 over 4. And here x over 2 plus y over 3 equal 2. So I'm going to apply the first step, which is convert this equation into a normal equation. To do this, I'm going to take the LCM of denominators. So we have denominators, which is 3 and 4. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So let's multiply the whole equation by 12. And we have in the second equation we have 2 and 3. So let's take the LCM of 2 and 3, which we already done in the previous equation. What was that? It was 6. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So let's multiply this whole equation by 6. So let's multiply the first equation by 12. So 12 times 2x over 3 plus 12 times 3y over 4 equals 12 times 13 over 4. So here we can cancel by 12 by 3. It is 4 times 3 is 12. So and 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 times 3 is 12. So we have 8x here plus 9y equal 13 times 3, which is 39. And let's multiply it by 6. Let's multiply the second equation by 6. So 6x, this is 6 times x over 2 gives us 6x over 2, which means 3x plus 6 times y over 3 gives us 2y equal 6 times 2 gives us 12. So now we don't have common coefficient or either x or y. So we have to do it, we have to make a common coefficient, either x or y. So to do this, I'm going to multiply the first and second equation. So let's multiply the first equation by 2. So if we multiply the first equation by 2, 2 times 9 gives us 18. And let's multiply this equation by -2. So if by -9, so if we multiply the second equation by -9, so it will give us -18. So positive 18 and -18 will cancel out. So we can easily find the value of x. So let's do it. So 2 times 8 gives us 16x, and 2 times 9 gives us 18y equal 2 times 39 gives us 78. 9 times 3x gives us -27x plus minus 9 times 2 gives us 18y equal 9 times 12 gives us 108. It is in minus. So let's add the equation. So here 18 and 18 will cancel out. So 27 minus 16x. I'm going to solve this addition here. So 27 minus 16 gives us 11x, which is a negative, equals 108 minus 78 gives us 0 and 3, which is 30. And here is also a minus. So minus and minus will cancel out. So I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 11. So this 11 and this 11 will cancel out. So x equals 30 over 11. So here is our solution. To find the value of y, let's plug the value of x into the second equation, which is pretty much easier. We don't have more values here, so we can easily plug the value and find the value of x. So I'm going to write it here. X equals 30 over 11. And so let's plug x equal 30 or 11 into the second equation. We have second equation, which is x over 2, which means 30 over 11 and times 2 plus y over 3 equals 2. So if we divide 30 by 2, it will give us 15. So 15 over 11 plus y over 3 gives us 2. So I'm going to take this fraction into the right side of the equation. So y over 3 equals 2 minus 15 over 11. So let's subtract these fractions. So I'm going to take it here. So y over 3 equals 2 minus 15 over 11. So I'm going to put 1 here as a denominator. So y equals 3 equals 11 times 1 gives us 11, and 11 times 2 gives us 22, minus 11, 15 times y gives us 15. So 3y equals 15 minus 22 minus 15 gives us 7 over 11. Now I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 3 to eliminate this 3. So this 3 and this 3 will cancel out. So here we have 21 over 11. So these are our answer, which is the value of y, and this is the value of x. So here is a homework for you guys. Let's plug these value and tell me in the comment that these values are satisfied the equation or not. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video.